Today we have a 6-pin Euro lock from Crispey. It's a little tight at this point. The rest of it is fairly smooth, but the only thing on the markings that I can find is the number 10 on the key. So if you want to, you can call this a number 10 lock. So that must mean it's a very high security lock. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. This is a 6-pin. So let's put in the vise, and it looks like another Yale type keyway, similar to the Yale. So anyway, let's see what we can do with this lock today. Okay, let's use bottom of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's start at the front of the lock. Okay, pin 3. Okay, pin 6. Okay, we're still getting some feedback off of pin 6, I believe. Okay, pin 5, pin 2, pin 1. Let's go to the back of the lock again. There's a little bit on pin 5 as we went under it, some more on pin 6. Go to the back. We didn't get anything on that pass. Okay, nothing. Okay, there it is, open on pin 6. Okay. See if we can do this. That works good. Uh-oh, that don't want to come out. Okay, let's try it a little bit different way. Let's turn it all the way around. See if we can do it this way. Okay, pin 1 fell out. I need to turn it over. Okay, pin 1, so let's turn this over so we don't drop any more of those pins. Okay, we'll check those pins in that plug in just a moment, but let's see if we can get this taken care of. Alright, now let's check our bottom pins, and then we'll go to the top pins. Okay, let me slip this number 1 pin back in that fell out. Okay, this is the pins. Pin 1 is serrated. Pin 2 and 3 is serrated. Pin 4 serrated. Pin 5 serrated. Pin 6 is serrated. Let's take a look at the plug. Okay, he has threading in 1, 2, 4, and 6. 3 and 5 is not threaded. Maybe a little bit of counter milling in those pins, not sure. Okay, let's take our upper pins out now. Okay, pin 1. Okay, let's back it up just a little bit so you can see the pins. Okay, there's pin 2. Okay, looks like they're serrated. Okay, pin 3. Okay, that one just popped all out. That's a spool. Another acetype pin. And another serrated pin. Okay, he hasn't been into the Bible. Still just standard. Okay, let's take a closer look at the pins. Okay, pin 1 and 2 on key pins. They are serrated and spooled on the number 2. This is a serrated upper pin. This is a tapered smaller upper pin with a serration on it. 3 and 4 is another spool type key pin. This is another type of spool. I like that spool. This is a standard spool with a serrated key pin. Okay, this is a I guess you'd call it an acetype pin, similar to the acetype pin. It came out just like this. This is another serrated pin, serrated and spool key pin, and a spool key pin on number 6. Okay, that's what we have in this lock sent to me by ZombieLock and pinned by Crispey Bear. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble, and thank you again.